Today we are reviewing the difference between two Russian phrases «ни за что» and «не за что». First up, «ни за что», pronounced «ни за что» with the stress on «что». This means never, no way. Imagine your friend dares you to eat a whole jar of mayonnaise in one sitting. You look at the jar and back at your friend and firmly say «ни за что». Again, it means no way, not a chance. Next, we have «не за что», pronounced «не за что», with the stress on «не», which means my pleasure, don't mention it. Imagine you are helping an old lady with her groceries. She thanks you warmly and you respond with a cheerful «не за что». It means you're welcome or don't mention it, just being polite. So remember, when someone says «не за что», they're just being polite. But if they say «ни за что», they're putting their foot down. Don't get them mixed up, or you might end up in some hilarious situations. That's all for today's language lesson. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at these tricky phrases. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips. Thank you.